Now we're going to take a look at the complement rule. So, what is the complement rule? It does not mean, oh, those pants look nice on you. But you could say, those pants complement the outfit. That doesn't mean the pants say, oh, the rest of you, you guys look nice. It means it completes it. So, the set of outcomes that are not in the event A, so you have event A, and then you have whatever is left, not A. That's called the complement of A and it's denoted A with a little superscript, C. The probability of the complement is always 1 minus the probability of the event. So if I say the probability of rain is 40%, its complement is not rain, and that probability would be 60%. Or you could say 0.4 probability for the rain and 0.6 probability for the not rain. When you put both of these probabilities together, they must complete each other and add up to 1. So the complement is always 1 minus the probability of the event. So let's go ahead and practice doing some not probabilities. So what is the probability of not getting a sum of 5? That's basically 1 minus the probability of getting a 5. So I would say, okay, probability of a 5 is 4 out of 36, which is 1/9. 1 minus 1/9 is 88.9% or 0.889. Now I could have just added up all of the outcomes here that are not 5s, and that would have worked as well and given me exactly the same answer. What is the probability of not getting a sum of 6 or 7? Well, it's 1 minus the probability of getting 6 or 7. So if I add up all these 6s and 7s, there are 11 of them. So that leaves 25 of these outcomes are not 6 or 7. And that's 69.4%. What is the probability of getting a sum that is not greater than 4? So greater than or equal to 4, there are 30 of those. Greater than 4, not greater than 4. So greater than 4 is all this, right? And there are 30 of these. If you wrote it with a symbol, you would say, oh, it's got to be less than 4, but it also equals 4. So that's how I had that there. And there are 30 outcomes that are greater than 4. I subtract those away and I get 6 out of 36. Or I could have just counted these outcomes up here, these 6, and said, oh, it's 6 out of 36 or 0.167. What is the probability of getting a sum not greater than or equal to 4? So here I have the equals, that's the twist. So now I'm including the 4 in the original outcome of A, and not A would be these 3 outcomes right here. So it's 1 minus the probability of getting the greater than or equal to 4, which is 33 out of 36, or 3 out of 36, which is pretty much the 3 right there, and which is 1/12 or about 8.3%.